For two, man, I'm back at y'all with another video. So today, I'll be going over all types of Louisville football news, you know what I'm saying? Trey Richardson is looking like a versatile weapon. Louisville's looking for a jersey sponsor. And we're ranked number 24 in the AP poll, man. So, if you're new here, remember to like, comment, subscribe. I ain't gonna hold up no more time. Let's jump into it. And first AP poll came out today, fellas. How y'all feeling? We got Old State at number 1. And we got Louisville number 24. How y'all feeling about that, chat? I ain't gonna lie, I feel like we right where we need to be. We got nice little striking distance. We got a nice little space to move up. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. And who else? I think we play SMU like week 3, so that should be a ranked game right there. And I think we play nah, we don't play Miami this year. I know we don't play in Miami this year in the regular season at least. But I'm for sure that we play SMU. So, that's gonna be a premier game, man. But yeah, they said Louisville versus Ole Miss is the only ranked game for week 1. So shit, we gonna have lights, camera, action on the cards week 1. The only ranked matchup is gonna be Ole Miss versus Louisville. But look though, they said Jody Dimmerlin said Trey Richardson looks to be a versatile weapon in Jeff Brom's offense. They said he's set to have a monster season for the Cardinals. Ooh-wee. I knew Brom knew how to use somebody that worked like him. He's 4.3 speed. You 4.3 speed, you can catch, you can run. Like, Brom's gonna use you right. I ain't seen him miss on nobody. He for sure didn't miss on Thrasher. He for sure didn't miss on Ja'Cory Brooks neither. And he damn sure ain't miss on Chris Bell. So welcome in Trey Richardson, y'all. Let's see if he can finish the, you feel me? Let's see if he can finish the 1K receiver coming to Louisville. You know what I'm saying? See if he can fill him shoes as a receiver 1 in Brom offense. But look though, I seen this too. 35KY Sports is back with another post, man. They said the Carrier Journal reports that the Cardinals are actively searching for a jersey patch sponsor. Oh shit. The logo could go right there on the uniform, man. So they did a little mock-up of some concepts of some local sponsors, and it's like, yo, I don't know how I feel about any of these. I like how clean our jerseys look without the sponsor, man. But if they gonna add one, man, which one do y'all think they should add? Y'all comment and tell me which one y'all think they should add if they add one. I don't know. I say like Papa John's or Humana. I don't know. Like, it's the only ones that make sense to me. Asics and Asics. Oh no, man. But definitely not Thoroughbred Lounge, bro. I don't even know how they put that on there. That is a troll, bro. But I ain't gonna lie. I fuck with Humana, maybe Humana or Papa John's. I can't see I can't see any of these ones. Nah, man. Nope. It just wouldn't look right, especially like El Nopal or something. Like, it just wouldn't look right on the uniform, bro. I hope they keep it clean cut. Like, I hope we don't got one of them big ass, like, I know y'all seen that Monster Energy with the Big 12. Like, hopefully we ain't got no big goofy looking patches like that, bro, that messes up our uniform swag. You know what I'm saying? Like, you might want that, bro. But yeah, let's see what other news we got for today, ski. Oh, they said U of L is ranked in the preseason AP poll for the first time since 2017, y'all. Damn. Said Cardinals open up the season September 9th in Nashville versus Ole Miss, ranked number 9 on ABC. Oh my goodness. So this might be the biggest season opener in Louisville football since 2017. It's been 10 years since we had lights, camera, action on us like this, y'all. It's been 10 years. Are y'all ready? I'm ready, man. I think we ready, man. We got lights, camera, action this year. First time since Lamar Jackson we was ranked. Man, like, that's crazy. We're ranked going into the year type shit. Like, damn, not since Lamar won the Heisman and came back. But shit, what else we got? Oh, yeah, here's the Ole Miss game. So it's actually September 6th and not September the 9th. I noticed that and I was thinking. But yeah, man, September 6th, y'all, it's a Sunday. Sunday night football, man. Start off the college season. Oh, my goodness. Hey, that's going to be premier, man. That's going to be very premier. But let's see what else we got, man. They said we will have just one ranked matchup in week 1. So we are the only ranked matchup, bro. The whole nation's going to be watching, man. What else we got? We went over Caleb Perry, went over Jabari Mack. They coming back. Oh, it's a very good Isaac Brown news update. Jody Dimlin said he asked about how Brown is coming along this fall camp. Louisville running back coach Chris Barkley smiled and said some fireworks was yesterday. He said we're excited to see what this year holds for him. Ooh. So y'all know how he been sitting out of camp basically like training and shit. So basically Chris Barkley said yesterday it was some fireworks. And they ready to see what he got this year, man. Ooh, hey, we got the best running back in the nation, for sure. And Isaac Brown also said yesterday in an interview, no other running back got what he got. And I agree. No other running backs, man, could fuck with him, man, like for real. Especially with the breakaway speed. He's 1-on-1, man. He's 1-on-1. What else we got, though? Yeah, we checking in at 24, man. Yup. But I ain't gonna lie, this is about it, y'all. We didn't win over all this. So anyway, wrap up today's video. We got Hutchinson coming back. We went over that, y'all. They said they actively searching for a patch sponsor. We went through that. Yeah, I think we done for today, man. So look, if you new here, man, leave a like, comment, subscribe, man. If you new, man, it's for 2, man. I'm out of here.